So for the following question, the numbers 240 and 252 are written as the product of their prime factors. Okay, they are as follows. 240 is 2 power 4 times 3 times 5, and 252 is 2 power 2 times 3 times 7. So what we need to do is to find the smallest whole number for which 240n is a multiple of 252. Now, a lot of you all may find that you are not able to understand this part. So let me just explain to you. Now, smallest can also mean lowest, right? So this can also mean lowest. Now, you're looking for a smallest number, the lowest number, for which 240n is a multiple of 252. So this 240n, you agree that the number we are looking at, so 240n is a multiple of 252, correct? Okay, at the same time, right, 240n will also be a multiple of 240 as well. Okay, so this 240n, you're looking at 240n, which is a multiple of 252 and 240, and is the smallest number possible. N is the smallest number possible. So what does it say about 240n? 240n is a multiple of 252 and 240, and is the smallest number possible. So it means that, it really means that your 240n actually, right, is the LCM. Is that we are looking at for the LCM of 252 and 240. Okay, so that's what we are doing. So if you look at 240, 240 is 2 to the power of 4 times 3 times 5. 252 equals to 2 power 2 times 3 power 2 times 7. Now if we consider the between the two, right, this is 2 power 4. Remember, we take all the powers and we take the highest, right? So this will give us the LCM to be 2 power 4 times 3 power 2 times 5 times 7. And this is basically, remember, this is our 240n. This is our 240n. Okay, so if you consider that this is our 240n, then very simply 240n, I mean n will be equals to 2 power 4 times 3 power 2 times 5 times 7 divide by 240. Okay, and if I divide by 240 here, this 240 I'll just rewrite 2 power 4 times 3 times 5. Okay, so just do your cancellation. 3 cancel. You can see that n is equals to 3 times 7, which is equals to 21. Okay, so that is part 1, right? So let me just put this away. And now if you look at part 2, I want the smallest non-zero whole number for which 240 over m is a factor of 252. Okay, 240 over m is the factor of 252. Okay, so what we consider is, number 1, let's write out what 240 over m look like, right? So 240 over m will be 2 to the power of 4 times 3 times 5 over m, and this is supposed to be a factor of 252, which is 2 to the power of 2 times 3 power 2 times 7. So ideally, right, this guy is supposed to be divisible by this, right? So if we compare these two numbers, right, let's just compare the prime factors term by term. 2 power 4, 2 power 2 obviously cannot divide 2 power 4, right? Because 2 power 4 is bigger than 2 power 2. So you know that m has to contain a 2 power 2 at least in order to shift 2 power 4, right? To make this a 2 power 2. Okay, so in order for it to be divisible, right, in order for this to be a factor of this, I have to at least get rid of a 2 power 2. 3, now 3 squared is divisible by 3, so I'm going to keep it. Now you notice that 5 is present in this number, 240 over m, but it's not present in my 252. Okay, so what does this mean? Is that definitely my m also has to contain a 5 in order to get rid of the 5. Okay, so if you take a look, right, basically if my m is equals to 2 power 2 times 5, which is equals to 20, you can see that 240 over m, which is basically 240 over 20, that will be 120. Sorry, I mean 12. Okay, you can see that 12 is a factor of 252, and this is done because we use our m to get rid of the 2 power 4 behind 2 power 2 and 5 to get rid of. Okay, thank you.